Lot 243 is the 1969 Ferrari 365 GT 2+2. What a fabulous color combination, as you'll see in just a moment. A 4.4-liter V12 with triple Weber carburetors, 320 horsepower, European left-hand drive specification, and enough space to take your kids for ice cream. The car is still fully matching numbers, complete with its toolkit, jack and owner's manual. It has everything, the 365 GT 2+2.
And enough space to take your kids for ice cream.
Am I wrong?
You are right. You're a genius. Ladies and gentlemen, Alan Squindo has explained to us this Ferrari in such an eloquent way. What should we say? What should we say? Let's open the bidding here at $100,000. Plenty of interest, I'm sure. 100,000. Thank you. At $100,000. Do I have 150 now? 150. Thank you. 150,000. Now $200,000 anywhere in the room now. At 200,000. Thank you. $200,000. Do I have 250 now? 250. 250. Thank you. At 250. 300,000 now. We're at 275. 275,000. Do I have $300,000 now? It's at 275 on my left. Do I have 300,000? Thank you. 300,000 on the telephone at $300,000. Do I have 325 now? It's on the telephone at 310. Thank you. 310, 320 if you like. 320, 320,000, 330 to either of you. At $320,000. Do I have 330 now? 330, thank you. 330 on the telephone. 340 now. We're at $330,000 only.
Yes.
You can go to have ice cream with your kids in this car, per Mrs. Squindo here, at $330,000. Well, I'm selling on the telephone and it's going for the first time. It's going for the second time, ladies and gentlemen, third and last time. At $330,000 on the telephone, all done, all finished. Sold your car, well done. 7805, 7805, $330,000.